Hello, I'm Cardmaster123. Today I'll be showing a really cool trick that I absolutely recommend. So before we get started, if you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Follow my Instagram, link in the description down below, and join my Patreon. Let's do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to have the spectator just go through a bunch of cards and flip them over. A bunch of cards and flip them over. Then we're going to go to the first face down card, and that will be the chosen card. So the 10 of diamonds. Alright, so this is the spectator's card, and what we're going to do here, we're just going to get the card lost in the deck. Alright, so then we're just going to keep going through and getting the card lost in the deck. So now, what's going to happen is I'm going to now make a prediction. I'm going to say 7. The card is going to be the 7th card down. The 10 of hearts will be the 7th card down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the 7th card down. That was pretty cool, right? But watch, we can do something much cooler than that. So we have the 10 of hearts. If I just snap my fingers and go through the deck, as you can see, there's one card that is red in the whole deck. And that is this perfect soulmate to the 10 of diamonds. If you like how that trick is done, don't forget to stick around for the tutorial. Alright guys, so here's how this trick is done. So what you want to take a random card from one deck. So I'm going to use the 10 of hearts. Then you want to take ace through king from any suit and put them in order. And you want to have ace on the bottom and king on the top. And then you want the soulmate from a different back of this. So like the soulmates, different backs. So you're going to take this pile, place this card, the card on this. So you want to have the ace through king and this on top of it. Place that on the bottom and place this on the top. Then you just want to force this card in any way. So enforce that card, so we'll just do a slip force. And that, put it on top. Then you want to cut the cards as long as you complete the cut. Keep doing it as many times as you want. Just try not to flash the red card. And then what you want to do is just turn the cards over. In this case, this is kind of set. But you want to swing cut the cards as many times until you find the chosen suit you used for the ace through king. In this case, I used this clubs. So then that card on the bottom will tell you how many cards from the top or from the bottom. From the top probably is the red card, the chosen card actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is. So you don't want to, obviously you don't want to flash this too much because then it'll be weird. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th card down, and say, yeah, that was pretty cool. But even cooler is when you spread the cards out. There's one red card, and that card is the soulmate. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. It's pretty cool. Go show your friends and family now. But before you show your friends and family, subscribe to my channel and like the video. And link in the description below for my Instagram. All you have to do is click that link and hit follow. And if you'd like, join my Patreon so you can get cool perks, new videos, cool giveaways. Thanks for watching.